Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Isa Darusman. My student is number is C4250712. And today I would like to share my opinion about smoking on campus. In my opinion, smoking on campus should not be allowed. The main reason is that smoking affects not only smoker, but also the people around them. The smell of cigarette smoke can make others feel uncomfortable and even causing a shortness of breath. In addition, smoking makes our environment dirty. Cigarette packs are often thrown away carelessly on the ground, near classrooms, or in parking lots. This makes the campus look messy and unpleasant. Smoking also causes air pollution around the campus. When many people smoke, the air feels heavy and smells bad. We all want to study in a clean and fresh environment, not one filled with smoke. However, I understand that quitting smoking is not easy. Some students smoking because they feel stressed, tired, want to relax, or just feel uncomfortable. Solution for smoker. The university can provide a designated smoking area away from classroom and public space. This allows smokers to smoke without disturbing others. Smokers can try simple ways to reduce the smoking habits, such as chewing gum, drinking more water, taking a walk, or listening to music when feeling stressed. Thank you for listening to my opinion about smoking on campus. Let's work together to keep our campus clean, healthy, and comfortable for everyone. Okay, in the second part, I will explain the meaning of question words. The question words. Main topic of question words. 1. Meaning of question words. 2. Type of question words. 3. Question word function. And 4. Formula for asking question words. Meaning of question words. Question words, often called WH words, are function words that can be asked to ask open questions. Some words, such as who, which, or where, can also be asked to introduce relative clauses. Type of question words. What, who, where, why, which, whom, how, and how. What? What is an English question word? Also asks about object, activity, or concept that occur or are involved in a particular event, activity, or context. Example stage. What is your name? What are you doing? What is your favorite color? Who? Who is an English question word also asks about the identity of a person or group or of people involved in a particular event, activity, or context. For example, who is your teacher? Who is your best friend? Who are your parents? When? When is an English question word also asks about the time or period in which an event occurred. For example, when does the movie start? When is your birthday? When do you go to school? Where? Where is a question word in English that is asked to ask about the location or place where an event occurred in a conversation or situation. For example, Where do you live? Where do you work? Where did you buy the shirt? Why? This word, this word is also asked about the reason behind an event, action, occurrence, or situation. Example: why are you late? Why did you close this university? Why are you crying? This is an English question word that helps us cause between several options. Its function is to request information about a particular case from a number of available options to assist us as in decision making or to identify a specific object. For example, which color do you like, red or white? Which language do you want to learn next? Which song is your favorite from the album? Whom is a question word also asks about the person who is the object in a sentence. Whom else helps us determine the relationship between the subject and object in a sentence. For example, whom do you trust the most? Whom are you waiting for? Whom are you talking to? Whose is question word in English that is also asked about ownership or who owns a particular object or thing. For example, whose book is this? Whose name did you write on the paper? Whose bag is laying on the table? How? How is an English question word asked to ask about the method or process by which an event or action is carried out. If function is to obtain information about the methods or procedures involved in a situation or activity. For example, how are you? How can I improve my English speaking skill? How do you cook rice? Question word function. Question words are asked to 1. Present specific information. 2. Open a conversation. 3. Clarify something. Formula for asking question words. 1. Without an auxiliary verb pattern. WH verb plus be, am, is, are, was, were plus subject. This pattern is asked when the question asks the verb to be, not an action verb. Example: who is that? How are you? 2. With an auxiliary verb pattern. WH verb plus auxiliary verb do, does, did, can, will, h plus subject plus main verb. This pattern is also when the question contains an action verb. Example: what do you want? Why did you stop? Thank you. So that's the ending of my video. We'll talk about smoking in the campus area and also about question word. Thank you for watching and see you next time.